In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your login page in Salesforce Community Cloud. Whether you're looking to reinforce your brand identity or provide a more tailored user experience, customizing your login page is a powerful way to make a great first impression on your users. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps, which I'll go through with you today. To begin, we need to log into Salesforce. Make sure you have your credentials ready and access to the account that controls your community cloud. Once logged in, you'll be on the Salesforce homepage. From here, our next step involves navigating to the Setup menu. You can find the Setup option easily by looking for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that, and then proceed to click on Advanced Setup. With the Advanced Setup open, you'll see a quick find search bar on the left-hand side. This is a handy tool for quickly accessing different features and settings. Type Digital Experiences into the quick find box, and from the suggestions, choose All Sites. This will take you to a list of all the communities you've set up in Salesforce. Now, locate the specific community that you want to customize and open it using the Experience Builder. The Experience Builder is a fun and intuitive space where you can modify your site's features and appearance. Once you're in, navigate to the Login Page section in the Builder. This is where the real customization work begins. Here you can start by adding or editing the branding elements such as your logo, colors, and background image. This step is crucial for projecting a consistent brand image. If your business has specific color guidelines or a new logo, make sure to update these here. After you've set up your branding, take a closer look at the text fields and components on the Login page. The Experience Builder tools make it easy to change the layout or edit text to ensure that the messaging and style match your community's needs. Perhaps you want to add a welcoming message or adjust the positioning of text fields for better accessibility. It's all possible here. Finally, after making all your desired adjustments and ensuring everything looks perfect, it's time to make your changes go live. In the Experience Builder, there's a Publish button, usually located at the top. Click on this to apply and save all your customizations. Publishing will update your community with the new login page design that users will see the next time they visit. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully customized your Salesforce Community Cloud login page. This customized login page not only boosts your brand's online presence, but also enhances the user experience by offering a more engaging and personalized service. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.